Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be doing a pick a card reading for your love energies first. So I'll be picking one card from each deck, guys. So this is the first card, and this is the second card. And whichever card you want to watch, you can watch that, guys, for your love energy. For your daily energies, I'll be picking 3 cards from the tarot deck, and we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So this is for your daily energies, Libras. If you are interested to see this second card, you can go to the timestamp, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So first card first, gratitude. So with this card, guys, for your love energies, in our life, guys, often we run around, we are so busy. We are caught up in that cycle. We work, we do things in such a fast pace. We do not know what we have, or the people who are there in our life, and the things we possess, and what blessings we have in our life, guys. So this card is for that. Maybe in your relationship, you may not know anything about this person. Just because they are there with you does not mean that they are not a blessing for you. They are a blessing, guys, from the universe. So all that goodness they have, and all that happiness you get from this relationship, from this connection, you need to understand that, and you need to be thankful for that each and every day. Feel thankful, feel grateful that this person is there with you. That is the guidance, guys, for your love energy. Maybe this may be what this person feels. Maybe they feel that you are not you don't consider them as a blessing, or you don't consider this relationship as a blessing, or this may be your energy, you don't see them as a blessing, guys. So it may work vice versa. So when you think of this connection as a blessing from the universe, you will see it with different eyes. You will see it in a different way. You will be happy for this person being there with you in this connection, happy for how things are going in this connection, in this relationship. And you will be able to, when you feel that gratitude, and when you feel that thankfulness in your heart of hearts for what this relationship is, you will be able to open your heart to more prosperity, more love, and more appreciation, guys. So that will bring in a greater understanding in your relationship. That is what this card is about. Let us see what is the second card. So those who have chosen this card, deep knowing. With this card, the energy for you all, guys, Libras, is that sometimes in our life, when we meet somebody, we instantly connect. We feel so familiar, and we feel that deep in our heart of hearts, this person is going to be there in our life, is there going to play a meaningful role in our life. So when somebody crosses our life all of the sudden, out of the blue, just like that, the way we connect to them at that deeper level, it's simply impossible to explain, impossible to describe, guys. So this is the time, maybe for some of you all, you may be meeting this person. This person may be your karmic destiny, or this person may be your twin flame or soulmate, guys. Something like that. That is the reason you have that deep connection with this person, that deep bonding with this person, and you may be intuitively attracted to them and intuitively guided in this relationship. Or sometimes you may have certain intuitions about someone, about this person, or someone in your life, but that may prove right. Whatever your guidance tells you, that will prove right, guys. So this is the time for you to trust your heart to lead you now in this relationship. So whatever intuitions that you get today, it may prove right in your relationship, guys. That is what this card is about. And for your daily energies, Libras, it's 9 of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. Page of Cups and the Emperor. With these cards, guys, maybe for some of you all in your career situation or in your personal life, certain things or certain choices that you made that you had great trust on, maybe those choices may not be working, guys. Or on some people you trusted, they may not they may not live up to your faith. So something disrupting your faith, you may feel that they are not worthy enough of your trust, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be emotional, you may feel sentimental today, and maybe you are or your person is a very sentimental and romantic person at heart, and they have a clear understanding of your situation, or you may have a clear understanding and you may have that intuition today, some kind of intuitive guidance. You may get guidance in certain situations, maybe some choices when you're making in your career or in your personal life. You may have a gut feeling towards some kind of choices that you need to make. So when you have that intuition nudging you towards some choice in some direction, you need to go for that, guys, because it will prove right. That is what these cards are about. And you are a person of great strength and determination. You do things in a particular way, in a particular order, and you do things only when you have that strong conviction about that action. So whatever you believe in, you stand for those ideals. That is what I see here. And you do not step out of the way. You have a particular way of doing things and you never budge out of that way. So you do it in a very orderly, and you are a very sincere person in anything you take up, in any work or in your personal life. Whatever you take up, you do it with that strong commitment. That's what I see here with these cards for your Libras. And maybe certain stressful situations are there today because you are coming across somebody who is not trustworthy, who is not reliable. This may be your person, or this may be somebody from your work, or this may be someone from your family on whom you had great trust. So that is quite stressful for you today. Other than that, I see here that you have that intuition guiding you, and you may be having a good time with your person. We see that you may be feeling romantic and sentimental today. So maybe you are going out with this person, or working on your connection, working on your relationship. That is what I see here with these cards, Libras. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.